So good morning, children. Here we are starting the class. We were discussing linear equations into variables chapter and NCERT example of questions from this unit. And this is part 11, continuation of the same solving MCQ questions from this chapter. We solved up to the question number 15 in our previous session. So now we are solving question number 16 onwards. Okay. First, go through the question and I'll be opening polling. You will be answering through that polling once you identify the right answer. Question number 16, question number 17, question number 18 and 19. These 4 questions I am conducting polling. Okay. You read the question. For that question, what is the right answer? You mark, write separately and keep it. The moment I open poll, you can put the answers of yours. Is it clear to you? If you have understood, just put a thumbs up. That's good. That's good. Right. Question number 16. Go through that question. If we multiply or divide both sides of a linear equation with a non-zero number, if you are multiplying by a non-zero number on both sides or dividing both sides by a non-zero number, then the solution of the linear equation. Options are there. Don't say answer. You need not say answer. You write and keep it with you only. I'm changing question number 16 to question number 17. Now go through the question. How many linear equations in X and Y can be satisfied by X equal to 1 and Y equal to 2? So options are only 1, 2, infinitely many, 3. You have to keep yourself right. Good. Right answer. Now I am changing the question. 17. Question number 18. The point of the form A comma A always lies on. Point of the form A comma A lies on. Options are x-axis, y-axis, on the line y equal to x, on the line x plus y equals to 0. Vinayak, I made you as co-host. Somebody are waiting in lobby. You can make them in.
No, sir. Nobody is fitting, sir.
Okay.
Just
Okay. If you have completed, you can thumbs up. Then I will change the question. Good. Good. Question number 19. Yeah, question number 19 now. The point of the form A comma minus A always lies on the line. Options are x equals to A, y equals to minus A, y equals to x, and last option x plus y equals to 0. These are the options. Now, don't feel if any question is missed. Akash Gote, if you have problem, I'll show once again the question if you say specifically which question. Okay? Shall I
Sir,
open the
18th,
poll?
sir.
Question number, I mean 18. Okay, question number 18. Sake. The point of the form A, comma A lies on. Options are x-axis, y-axis, on the line y equals to x, on the line x plus y equals to 0. So in these four options, any one you have to choose. A, B, C, D.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's up to you. Don't worry about the question. If you ask me any question, I'll show. Akash, okay?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
sir, 19th question, sir.
I will show you question number
Sir,
16
someone
now.
is telling 16th one, sir.
Yeah, 16 question. I'm opening polling. Okay. You keep doing the polling will be on, and I'll be showing one by one question. Yeah, I opened
Yes,
the
sir.
poll for you. And some children, people who joined from the video systems or video conferencing application can't view the content. You are sharing. If you want your content to be viewed by those people, share your screen or application instead. Okay.
Sir, 19th one.
I will show once again. I'll show one by one. Don't worry. Question number 16 is there for the somebody's sake. I have shown now. Question number 16. Is it clear? If we multiply or divide both sides of a linear equation with a non-zero number, then the solution of the linear equation. Option A changes. Option B remains the same. Option C changes in case of multiplication only. Option D changes in case of division only. Question number 17. How many linear equations in x and y can be satisfied by x equal to 1 and y equals to 2? Option A only 1, option B 2, option C infinitely many, and option D 3. Question number 18. The point of the form A, comma A always lies on.
Sir, can you show 17th one?
Yeah. Question number 17. How many linear equations in x and y can be satisfied by x equal to 1 and y equals to 2? Options are only 1, 2, infinitely many, 3. You have to choose any right option. Question number 18. The point of the form A, comma A always lies on option A x-axis, option B y-axis, option C on the line y equal to x, option D on the line x plus y equals to 0. Moving on to the question number 19. The point of the form A, comma minus A always lies on the line option A x equals to A, option B y equals to minus A, option C y equals to x, and option D x plus y equals to 0. Children, I have shown all these questions, given you enough time, and polling I have almost conducted 2.5 minutes. Now I am closing the poll, giving you total 3 minutes time. There are 50 students who are attending. So out of 103, we have only 50 joining. The rest of the cadets didn't join.
One, sir.
Yeah, poll has gone. Now see the poll results. Correct answers. Okay. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Now, what is the right answer in question number A? Question number 1. I mean, question number 16. What is the right answer?
Sir, the equation remains the same.
Yes. You know why?
Yes, sir. Balance, it will balance, sir.
For example, if you have got 2x plus 3 equals to 5 on both sides by a non-zero number, if you multiply,
It remains same.
the equation remains same. When you are multiplying by non-zero number only, remember that. That's why the equality sign will not change. It continues. It continues. So when you are multiplying or dividing by a non-zero number, equation remains same. That is the right answer. So 19 out of 50 members have given correct answer. 11 did not answer. 13 have given option as A.
Sir, if
Four-
we will divide, then also it will not change.
No, it won't change even. When you have got 2x plus 3 divided by a non-zero number, then it will not change. That comes as it is. Why? Because 2x plus 3 upon 7. Further, this 7 get cancels only whenever you want. It won't change. 7 comes and cross multiplies,
Cross
comes and cross
multiplication.
multiplies. Yes. 14x plus 21 equals to 35. Okay, same thing. Kindly turn off mic if anyone else are disturbing you there. Okay, next, moving on to the question number 17. Question number 17. Which is the right answer?
C, sir.
Right answer is C.
Definitely many,
28.
sir.
Yes, 28 out of 50 members rightly answered. Okay, most of the people, more than 50%. But still, 6 said option A, 3 said option B, 1 said option D. See, children, x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 means we have a point, comma 1, comma 2, through which how many lines can pass through. This is what that ultimately in geometrically, if you see, you can draw infinitely many lines you can draw. For each line, there will be a corresponding linear equation. So linear equations in x and y, we can find infinitely many which are getting satisfied by this 1, comma 2. That is x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Have you understood Prajwal Koda? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So right answer is C, infinitely many. Now moving on to the question number 18. The point of the form A, comma A always lies on. This was the question. What is the right answer?
Answer C, sir.
Again,
Sir.
answer C. And
On the
24
line
out of
actually,
50
Y is
have
got X.
answered correctly. Still 6 members felt x-axis. Remember children, any point lying on x-axis will have its ordinate 0. Okay. So it will be of the form x comma 0 or a comma 0, whatever you say. But ordinate must be 0. If any point lying on y-axis, then its abscissa must be 0. So 0 comma y form or 0 comma b form or 0 comma a form, you can say. If any point lying on this y equals to x, it must be of the form a equals to a. This a comma a lies on this y equals to x. Here a comma minus a lies on this x plus y equals to 0. Then only sum of them becomes 0. Sum of x coordinate and y coordinate gives you 0. And moreover, these both line passes through the origin. They both pass through the origin. Okay. As there is no constant term, you have got x plus y equals to 0 written. Similarly, how can you write this? It can be written as x minus y equals to 0. This both equations do pass through origin. They don't have a constant term, that's why. Okay. Next, moving on to the question number 19. So already I taught while explaining this question number 18, I already said a comma minus a lies on a comma a lies on x plus y equals to 0. So right option is D. 23 members have answered correctly. 16 did not answer. 1 answered x equals to a. 6 answered y equals to b. Y equals to minus a. Y equals to x. 4 answered. Okay. So corrections. I am every time repeating the content. Okay, for your benefit. Is it clear to you?
Sir,
Yes,
I'm not
sir.
getting how to do this 19th one, sir.
Very simple, Vinayak. A comma minus a. If you substitute in these, this gets satisfied. What about the y? Here y equals to minus a gets satisfied. What about x? If any equation having only one variable, then that will be having either abscissa 0 or okay, either abscissa 0 or it's what you can say, either abscissa 0 or its ordinate is 0, or I can say if any line y equals to minus a, if you take in a Cartesian plane, y equals to minus a will be definitely parallel to x-axis, passing through the point 0 comma minus a, and all the points if you take, it will be of the form some x coordinate comma minus a. If you take this x equals to a, it's a line parallel to y-axis passing through the point a comma 0, and all the points lying on that x equals to a will be of the form a comma some y coordinate. So if you take here, it's a fixed number in the case of this. If you take in this case, it's a fixed number. So a comma minus a lies somewhere here in the second quadrant. A comma minus a, if a line is passing through that, definitely it will not be parallel to here. Okay, it is not parallel to y-axis or x-axis because it will be like this. A equals to minus a will passes through the second and fourth quadrant and passing through origin, dividing exactly the Cartesian plane into two parts. Like it is 45 degrees plus 90 degrees, total 135 degrees. With the positiveness of x-axis, it will be making angle and moving like this. Okay. Here,
Sir.
this happens only with this. You substitute a comma minus a in these two equations. It is not equal, but this says they are equal. If you substitute here, cancels and gives you 0, which is RHS. So it's a concept based. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear, sir.
Yeah. Then coming to the 18th question here, 18th question, same, it talks about a comma a na, it will be exactly passing through the origin, dividing the Cartesian plane into two parts, passing through first quadrant and third quadrant with the angle of 45 degrees. Exactly like this. It goes like, what are all the points will be lying? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and so on. Here minus 1, minus 1. minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 3, minus 4 comma minus 4, and so on. Then only it is A comma A lies on this. And it is the x equals to y, or you can say x minus y equals to 0. This is the equation of that line. Understood? So
So
I have this. Tell me, Vinayak.
understood, sir.
Yeah. Now we will move on to the next variety of questions. What are the next variety of questions, children?
Short answer.
True or false? Short answer. True or false type. These are also objective type questions only. If you do not know, they may give this type of questions also. So let us go on. Write the whether the following statements are true or false, or justify your answer. Okay. First statement. Go through the statement. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, is a linear equation in two variable. How many of you say it is true? How many of you say it is false? Let us conduct a poll. Okay, I am conducting a poll. What I am doing, I'll create a new poll. New poll. Yes, do you want to save? No, I don't want to save this. Okay, done. Yeah, now it's a multiple answer type question. I'm just typing a question number 1, and here options are true and false. Yes. How many of you will answer? Let us see. I have opened a poll. 48 members are there. 50 reduced to 48 now.
Is telling for him phone is not.
Okay, okay. Some children doesn't have facility to see this polling and all. I can understand it. No problem. You are required to change the method of joining, not a video call conference. You have to join through some other mode. You can find out from the Ved or Vinayak. They will help you. Yeah. Say children, 13 did not answer. 22 members have said true. 16 members have said false. And I am closing the poll. I gave you exactly 1 minute 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Those who did not answer can attend. 13 yet to attend. So out of 48, 13 members do not have facility of attending. Let's come to the answer. Coming to the answer. Here, I say this is false. Why it is false? See,
Zero cannot come.
One zero number.
Zero cannot come, sir.
one
Yes, sir.
has to
And-
raise hand and take.
Okay.
One has to raise a chance.
These
and
are the natural numbers, sir, not real.
one has to take an option. Omkar said these are natural numbers, not real numbers. No, these are real numbers only. Definition of linear equation in two variables says ABC are real numbers only. What is missing here?
Sir,
Missing.
but A and B
Non-zero numbers.
Zero.
We are non.
Real number 0 will come, sir.
The missing things is here. You have to raise hand and seek the permission, like Shrikant. Okay. This is the missing one. Is it clear now? Okay. Now thumbs up. Don't speak. If you all
Sir, I
together
didn't
speak, it's
understand.
not audible.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
Shrikant, Aditya Patil. Aditya Patil did not understand. Right? Sunil.
also, sir.
Sunil. Right? See, definition of a linear equation in two variables says any equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 where a, b, c are real numbers. A is called coefficient of variable x, b is coefficient of variable y, and c is a constant. These coefficient of variable x and coefficient of variable y, that is a and b, should not be non-zero numbers. That they are non-zero numbers is missing here. A not equals to 0 and b not equals to 0 is the condition. Then only this is called a linear equation in two variables. Understood? That is missing. So I say this is false. Is it clear now? Aditya Patil?
Sir.
Piyush? You are speaking.
Yes, sir,
something.
means instead of 0, other number, sir.
Your voice is so poor. There some signal issues. It's cracking. No, not able to understand. Not able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Piyush,
able to
please
hear.
text it. If you have any problem, do text in chat. Put a text. Okay, next we will move on to the next question. Yeah, question 2. A linear equation 2x plus 3y equals to 5 has unique solution. Again, this is false. Why this is false? It's a linear equation in two variable will have infinitely many solutions. It is false. Next, question 3rd. All the points 2, 0, minus 3,
Texted the answer, sir.
Pardon?
Piyush texted the.
Okay, what is the text message?
He is asking instead of 0, any other number should be there or not, sir.
Yes, if they are non-zero, numbers are enough. A and B should not be at a time zeros. Okay? They can be any numbers. Yeah, moving on to the 3rd question. All the points 2, 0, minus 3,
False.
0, 4, 2.
Sir, false.
If I lie on
False,
x-axis,
false.
false. Pakka.
False.
It's false. You know reasons very well. Okay. Any point lying on x-axis will have y equals to 0. Only this 2, 0, minus 3, lies on x-axis. 4, 2 lies in first quadrant and 0, 5 lies on y-axis. So it's false. Now such questions you are going to have. Okay. 4th question. Okay. The line parallel to the y-axis. The line parallel to y-axis at a distance 4 units to the left of y-axis. If you take y-axis, this is y-axis and this is x-axis.
Sir, it is true, sir.
True, sir.
True.
Perfect.
It is true,
Left
sir.
is this, a line parallel to y-axis, left side x equals to minus 4, since it is at a distance of 4 units.
Yes, sir.
So it's a true. Okay, you know how to identify. Clear? Then moving on to the next question. The last question. The graph of the equation y equals to mx plus c passes through the origin. Very important question. Very important question. The graph of the equation y equals to mx plus c passes through the origin. Is it passes through the origin?
False.
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 Why?
No, sir. False, sir.
False, sir.
Sir, because there
Sir,
is
it
constant.
can be any
Yes.
solution, sir.
Because it has the constant term, it will never pass through origin. Okay? Very important question. This is the knowledge that I want you to know. Such questions are not there in our textbook. Okay, then move on to the sample question number 2. Next, see. Here coordinates of x, y are given. That means points are given. 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 6. Now the question comes. These points, he says solutions of this equation. Is it true or false? These points are the solutions of this equation. Are they true?
True, sir.
True, sir. Because
True,
if
sir.
we,
True, sir.
if
True,
we
sir.
take x is equal to 0, then y will be 2 only, sir.
So you cannot
Yes,
say
sir, it
your
is true.
answer by just watching one point. If any one fellow is there not satisfying this equation, then definitely we say false.
True, sir. All satisfy.
Sir, all
All,
sides are
then only
happy.
yes.
All sides are satisfied, sir.
All
Yes,
satisfies.
that's the way of taking your judgment. Now coming to the solution, it is true. Since on looking at the coordinates, we observe that each y coordinate is 2 times the x coordinate and more than that 2 units more than the double of the x coordinate. So it's becoming true. Next, now exercise 4.2 based on the same concept of true or false. The point 0,3 lies on the graph of the linear equation 3x plus 4y equals to 12. True or false?
True, sir.
Very good.
True, sir. True, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Yes, true. Question number 2. Question number 2.
False, sir.
False, sir. False.
False, sir. False.
False.
14 will become.
Okay, false. Right? You know how to judge there. Next question, last. You have got very less time. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Should we write justification?
That you will write it. Okay. For me, as of now, if you take in this case 0,3 when it is substituted, satisfies the 3x plus 4y equals to 12. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In this case, when you substitute 0,7, LHS becomes 14, RHS is 7.
Yes, sir,
They
yes,
are not
sir.
equal. Now come to this question.
Sir, sir.
Hmm,
Sir,
hmm.
second question. Sir. I
Yes,
had doubts.
yes, Sama.
No, sir. Yes plus 2 bracket 0, sir.
Okay.
No. Yes, it's right. 7
Okay.
plus
Shall
2,
I
right.
go to the
Correct,
third
correct.
question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hmm.
go to third question.
Yeah. Do it. Now I am showing you the graph. Is the graph is visible, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Sir, true, sir.
Sir,
True,
sir.
sir.
True, sir. True. True.
True, sir.
True.
Okay, that's good. True. See, last 5 minutes we have. Okay, we will finish next. Now you are showing the graph.
True.
True or
True,
false?
True,
sir.
sir. True. True, sir. True,
True.
sir.
Parallel to
True, sir.
y-axis, so x equal to, and passing through 3, 0.
True, sir. True.
Definitely equals to true. Okay, good. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. These are the coordinates of the points, and here is the equation.
True, sir.
True, sir. First
True,
one,
sir.
true.
True, sir.
True, true. It is true, sir.
It's true, sir. True, sir.
True, sir. True.
Sir. False, sir.
False, sir. False. False. It is false.
False, sir. False.
Sir, 3 minus
First one only it is not correct, sir.
3 minus 5 will not be the solution, sir.
A first comes 0 minus 2 plus 2. When you substitute 0, 2, it is RHS UA. Only in this case it won't.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So it's false. I said even one point is there among the given coordinate points not satisfying the given equation, then we say false. Next question number 6. Question number 6. Every point on the graph of a linear equation in two variables does not represent.
Sir, false.
False, sir.
Hmm,
False, sir.
it is false.
It represents every.
Yes.
False.
Not understood, sir.
पढ़ो पहला ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ लो ओमकार. Every
understood.
point on the graph of a linear equation in two variable. You have drawn a graph of a linear equation in two variable. You said that this is 2x plus 3y equals to, let's say 6 you said. You have drawn this graph. If any point lies on this, what do you call that? Any point lying on this line? Is the
Solution of linear equation in true variable.
He says does not.
Yes, sir.
Understood. Every point on the graph of a linear equation in two variables does not represent a solution of the linear equation, he says, which is false. Every point on the graph of that linear equation in two variable will be a solution of that equation. So that's why it is false. Last question. Question number 7. We will wind up today's class with this.
Sir, false.
Yes,
Oh.
the
It will
graph of
blind.
every linear
False,
equation in
sir,
two
false.
variable need not be
Yes,
a
that's
line
false.
is false. It is definitely line. He says not a line. It is compulsory line. Understood, children? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. Yes,
with
sir.
this, we will stop today's class. And I have few more things to discuss with you. What are the few more questions that I have to discuss are short answer type only from this linear equations and long answer type, though they are not coming for the exam of this as such, but that knowledge is very essential. This chapter is very, very important chapter. Okay, we will finish those in our next day's class, and with that revision of the chapter also gets over for your upcoming exam. Okay, good luck. Wishing you bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.